style ideas. Let's go. Let's get it. Style number 1, just have your locks hanging down. They're oh so beautiful, and I'm sure they smell so good. Style number 2, a headband. You can wear a headband on your locks, you guys. You can wear the wide headband or you can wear the narrow headband. But when you put it on, just push it back some and just let your locks hang down as you see me styling them in here. Right here, girl. Do it, guys. Style number 3 is a half up and a half down. Half up, half down just basically mean that half of your head is pretty much down, just hanging, and the other half is up in a bun. So you're going to grab up some of your hair, some of your locks, and you're going to put the big rubber band on it, you guys. And then you're simply going to, usually when I'm doing a bun with braids or locks or anything such as that, I usually take the bun, I take the locks, the hair, the braids, or whatever I'm bunning up, and I pretty much split it like in half. Of course, you want to make sure the rubber band is on, an elastic band. And then what I do, I kind of pull tight to make sure it's kind of snug, and then I take half of it, I wrap it around to the right side, as you see me doing, and then I take the other half and I go in the opposite direction. And then you can secure it with another band, another rubber band. You can put that on top, or sometimes you may have to put a couple on top. And sometimes, you guys, you may have to put hairpin in there or something like that. Also with locks or braids, you can kind of embellish your locks or your braids with some different jewelry, if you like to do that. This is style number 4, you guys, and so it's basically just flat twists on one side, going on one side, whichever side you choose. You can put it going to the left or the right. Just kind of flat twist your hair down flat, your locks, and just take it all the way down to the end of the hair of the head. And then when you get to the end right here, you guys, you can either put a rubber band on there, or you can take your locks or your braids and you can just use that as like a rubber band and just tie it off. Just tie it off right here. Style number 5, you guys, is going to be flat twist on both sides. So you already have the flat twist on that one side, and then you're going to go on the other side, the opposite side. And then you're going to go ahead and flat twist that. Again, you can tie it off at the end of the head with a rubber band, or you can tie it off with a coated rubber band, or you can tie it with your locks or braids. And you can have it kind of off center like I have it, or you can do it in the middle. However you choose to just flat twist, that's a cute style. You can embellish it with some jewels, or you can embellish it with some gold or silver cuffs, or whatever you choose to embellish it with. And so you see me showing you some shells, and you can embellish with those shells. Sometimes you try to figure out how to attach them. You can use a bobby pin. And so I just have a large bobby pin. I put it on there, and then I just stuck them on both sides. You can do whatever you prefer. If you want to put them on both sides, or you can just have all the ornaments or embellishments on one side, and then just let the rest hang, the rest of your locks or your braids hang down. So now we're going to take style number 6. These are also flat twists, but I'm going from ear to ear across the front of the hairline. So you start on one side of the ear, and you go all the way to the other side of the ear with the flat twist, or you can cornrow it too, whichever you prefer. And the back is going to just hang down. So it's still almost like a half up, half down type of situation. Then if you want to kind of loosen them up so they won't be so tight, you can do that. And then to tie it off, you're going to use rubber bands. And here we go. You can flat twist both sides if you like. But when you flat twist this, we're going to take this style number 7 all the way back, all the way around. So you see the side with the shells on it, that left side there. You're going to take that and you're going to go all the way around And I'm showing you with this arrow that you go all the way around, and then you get over there to that left side over there, and you put that in a ponytail. Style number 8, this gonna be a swoop bang in the front. So I have some of the locks hanging down in the front, and you're gonna make that into like a swoop bang. And then this is almost gonna be like a half up, kind of half down almost, but it's gonna be half up, half down with a swoop bang. So again, you're gonna gather up that hair at the top, some of your locks, and then you're gonna take this front and you're gonna make that into like a swoop bang, and you're gonna connect it in the back where you have the bond at, and you can wrap that around and make those locks, kind of feed them into the other locks, join them in and make it a part of that bond. The bond, you guys, it don't have to be on the very top of your head. It can be kind of a lower bond. So now you guys, style number 9 is going to be a scarf. You can take a scarf or you can take a hat. It could be any kind of scarf you like. Of course, make sure that it's color coordinated. You can have this knot in the front or you can put the knot in the back. Just make sure it's a scarf that's not too slippery so it won't slide, or you won't have to continuously be pulling it up. It won't be falling down in your face. So get you some type of scarf that's going to match with some of your outfit that you have on. And then you just put the rest of your locks just hanging back. Style number 10, you guys, is going to be a ponytail. So just put it in a ponytail and let it hang. I hope you learned something here. Thanks for watching.